Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Inshallah, today we will learn Surah Al-Zilzal. That is also called Surah Al-Zilzal. It means the chapter of the earthquake. In this surah, Allah Almighty describes the great earthquake, the very much dangerous earthquake that will come near the day of judgment, Yawm al-Qiyamah, on the day of judgment. Yes, let's read with translation as well as with Tajweed. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا زلزل إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها زلزالها Again, إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره. Yes, let's read its translation. It's very much important to remind us that the day of judgment is very much dangerous for those people who do the bad actions. But it is very much great day for those people who do good deeds and their scales are heavy. Yes, إِذَا زُلْزِلَتِ الْأَرْضُ زِلْزَالَهَا, the first ayat translation, when the earth is shaken with its final earthquake. The second ayat, and the earth brings out its load. Yes, on that day Allah Almighty will say the earth that put out all that you have. Yes, and man says, what is wrong with it? Yes, man will be shocked that what is wrong with it, why it is shaking, why it is there is earthquake, a big earthquake. On that day it will tell its story, because your Lord has inspired it. On that day people will come out in groups to be shown their deeds. Whoever has done an atom's weight of good will see it then, and whoever has done an atom's weight of bad will see it then. Yes, Allah Almighty will not oppress anyone. If someone has done good thing, has do good actions in his file, then Allah Almighty will give rewards. And if someone has done atom's weight, atom is the smallest particle that we know, and there are also subatomic particles, but the smallest in Arabic, zarra means the smallest weight thing that is good or bad, and the person will see on the day of judgment. May Allah Almighty protect us from the shaitani distractions and make our life in this world and the world hereafter successful, and make us protected from the dangerous earthquakes and the other dangerous things that ismaish of Allah Almighty, that are an ismaish, that are a azab from Allah Almighty. May Allah Almighty help us and may Allah Almighty protect us. You should practice lesson and memorize this surah and translation. Take care. Allah Hafiz.